Hello, Jason here from Septic Tank TV, and in the next 2 to 3 minutes I'm going to explain all about septic tank pumps. So what is a septic tank pump and why would you need one? Have a look at this. So here we've got a septic tank and a soakaway. Now you'll notice that the septic tank has been put in lower, right, than the soakaway. You can see the soakaway is higher. So why would you put your septic tank in lower than the soakaway? Well, it could be for a number of reasons. For example, let's say you've got existing pipework in and the pipework is, I don't know, a foot, 2 foot, 3 foot below the grass. Then you've got to lower your septic tank down to meet the existing pipework. So that's why you'd put your septic tank in lower. And why would you put your soakaway in higher? Why wouldn't you put it lower down to meet up with the septic tank? Well, because it could simply be that the garden that you're trying to put it in is full of clay, and so if you put it lower, as low as the septic tank, it just wouldn't soak away into the soil. So you've got to put it higher. So those are typically the two main reasons why you'd put your septic tank and soakaway at different heights. So here's the problem here. Look, so if I zoom into the problem, you can see that the outlet pipe from the septic tank is about 2 foot lower than the inlet for the soakaway. So what's the solution? Well, it's really simple. All that you need is a septic tank pumping chamber. Look at that. So they're typically cylindrical in shape. So let me just get the cross section here, and inside you would have a septic tank pump. Look at that. So they all come complete, all comes together in one, right? And so what happens is this: the water from the septic tank would go into the sump, into the pump chamber here, right, just like so, and then the pump would pump it from there into the soakaway, just like that. And from there, the liquid would drain away from the drainage field crates into the soil. So there you have it. So if you are struggling to work out how to put your septic tank in to existing pipes that's lower than the soakaway, it's a really simple solution. Just get yourself a septic tank pump. So there you go. That's my tip for the day, right? A septic tank pump are worth their weight in gold. They cost about 500, 600, 700 quid depending on the size of the septic tank pump, and they'll take about an hour to 2 hours to put in, or you can just get your electrician to do it, something like that. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more free videos, then just go to Septic Tank TV, or you can visit my website, which is septictank.co.uk. So listen, thank you very much for watching once again. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon.